Here's a Magic Chef microwave. I made a video on this thing before. At first last year this was Unbranded, but someone told me in the comment section this was a Magic Chef. So this is a Magic Chef. Anyway, inside needs some cleaning, especially the door. Light bulb still works. Here's a sticker. Whatever this is, but I'm guessing the model number is somewhere else. If I can find it. Oh, there. I can get that. This is model MCO165UW. Here's the controls. You see this already. So let's go ahead and turn on the service light or the light. What are these brands call it nowadays, you know? So I'm gonna turn it on here. Light bulb still works, surprisingly. Let me turn that off. It is off. Then turn on the VIP van. This is high. This is low. This is off. Let me turn it on up here. And there you go. So we got time cut, auto cut, all the defrost, start, cancel, just basic. Anyways, let's go ahead and test this without nothing in it, since I didn't show that last year. Well, that's about it.